Welcome to Bookio. Once all invoices have been uploaded, you can access those in either the Uploads page, or you can go into your Things to Do, and then all the unrecorded invoices and receipts will be listed here to be recorded. So I'll do it from Things to Do and click on Record. This is a supplier invoice, so I'll tick that, click Next, and you'll see some information will be fetched here, like sum to pay, due date, and invoice date. That means I just need to enter a few pieces of information and choose a supplier from my existing list, or click Add Supplier and then enter the invoice number. Then click Create and Continue. As you can see, this is computer equipment, so I'll type in computer equipment and select the relevant template. I've entered computer costs, which can be a fixed asset, or you might choose to write it off to the profit and loss account depending on the value of the asset. You can click Record as Fixed Asset, and then it will be recorded on the balance sheet as a fixed asset, or if you don't tick that, it will be recorded as an expense on the profit and loss. In this case, I'll record it as a fixed asset. This enters £325 that's going to the fixed asset account 90, and then I can just review this before clicking Record. Here I have the option to add this to Bookio's fixed asset register. You can depreciate it on a straight line basis, and you can choose the period you would like to depreciate it over. In this case, I'm going to choose 4 years and then click Save Details. Then I can go into Accounting and then Fixed Assets and see that it actually gets added to our fixed asset register, and I'll then have the option to depreciate that fixed asset. You can only depreciate annually. So in this case, I'm not able to record the depreciation yet, as we haven't reached the end of the year. The supplier invoice I just created will be shown in Supplier Invoices, where I can see a list of all active supplier invoices that haven't been paid or recorded yet in Bookio. You can click on all invoices to see the invoices that have been created in Bookio. You might also want to see the Aged Creditors report, which can be found under Suppliers. By clicking on the History tab, you can fetch the outstanding supplier invoices for specific dates. So I will change that to the month end, then it shows the reports ready for the month end.